Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to share with you one of my favorite little doggy hacks.
I'm a huge fan of this DELIFUR pet standing water dispenser. It's a great tool for small dogs such as my Shih Tzu. You can see that she is drinking out of the ball tip. It's going to be not dripping on her. It helps to save the mess from her face, but also all over my floor. Even my medium-sized Cocker Spaniel loves drinking out of it. And I love that ball tip drinking nozzle is rust free. It's going to be healthy for the dogs. Also, it's got a good anti-slip mat on the bottom, as well as this water weight holder so that it won't be tipping over. You can use it very adjustable, short as you need it. Add the links and it can be a lot taller. Overall, just a great water for less mess.
So if you have small or medium dogs and you hate the water mess, this dog water is definitely for you. I love that it keeps the water from dripping all over the floor, dripping all down their face, and it's fully adjustable for the height, so it's just been amazing. Even when we've had them as puppies, it goes small enough for them to reach. Can't say enough good things about it. Love it, great purchase. I know that you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.